Hello and welcome to this video that allows you to automatically fill in PDFs and sheets by using a reference document and sending it to another one. And this can automate a lot of workflows because you can immediately sync the data between multiple fields. For example, if you have received an invoice, you can immediately import it in other systems to make sure that the reporting is on point. And as you all know, making sure that we have all the data at the end of the fiscal year is very important, and the system makes sure that everything goes a lot smoother because often files are delivered in multiple types or formats, and the system can make sure that everything is processed correctly. So you can immediately get all the PDFs that are in multiple formats structured in the same templates, and from there make sure that you have all the correct data, and it even supports companies that are active in multiple languages, which is also a great added option, and they have integrated with Zapier and Make to automate even more workflows. As an example, they cite insurance companies, legal firms, and also logistics and supply chain, where a lot of documents are required as well. As you can see, you can give it a free try and see if it's something for you or not. And from there, they also have company plans that go up to $99 per month. So I think it's a very interesting tool if you have to process a lot of PDF files and want to make sure that you have all the correct data in your system. So this was a quick look at Molku. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more and have a wonderful day ahead. Thank you.